What actually helps a house sell? If you are thinking about selling your home, it's easy to get confused about what the most important things are. A lot of people think that the big questions are, well, should we renovate? And if we should, well, what do we renovate? Do we need to paint? Do we need to stage the house? What artwork should we hang? What pictures should we leave? What ones should we take down? Is it better to list in the spring or the fall? And all those things matter. But when it comes to selling a house, it's actually quite a bit simpler. There are three things that will help your house get sold. Number one is that the price makes sense. The second thing is that the house needs to feel cared for and taken care of. And the third thing is that the buyers can picture themselves living in the space. So let's start with the price. Pricing is one of the most important factors when you're selling your home. If the price is too high, buyers may come, and when they compare it to other properties on the market, they might say, well, this other one here is better value. Nice house, but this one is a better value. Or if it's too high, they might not come at all. Now that doesn't mean that you need to underprice your house, but it does mean that you need to price it appropriately based on the house, the condition of the house, the location, what neighborhood you're in, and the overall general real estate market at the time. The second thing that helps a house sell is the condition. Now this doesn't always mean you have to do major renovations before you're getting ready to sell, but it does mean that the house needs to be maintained and looked after, because buyers are going to notice. Things like loose handles, burnt out light bulbs, stains in the carpet, missing shingles, little things like this that on their own, it's not a big deal. But when you put them all together, it can make a buyer a little bit wary. Clean it well, declutter, let light in, fix the obvious things, and make sure that your house feels cared for. The third thing that helps a house sell is presentation. Buyers need to be able to picture themselves living in that home. And that can be difficult to do when the rooms are really full or dark, personal items around, knickknacks, and it makes it difficult though when those things are there and a buyer can't picture themselves and their things in that space. So clear out the personal items. We don't need the house to look like a magazine or a reel on Instagram, but we do want our buyers to understand the space. That's why small changes can make a big difference. If you remove extra furniture, clear the counters, improve the lighting, simplify the space, it makes it easier for buyers to picture themselves in that space. A couple other things that I want to touch on here as well, access and marketing. You want to make it easy for buyers to access your house. Now that doesn't mean that you have to say yes to showing requests at 10 p.m. on a Tuesday night or something, or 8 a.m. on a Saturday morning. That's not what it means. But make it available in the afternoons, make it available in the evenings for some time, make it available on the weekends so that more buyers have the opportunity to come and take a look. The last thing I'll mention too is the marketing. Good photos, the listing strategy need to all be in place prior to the house going on the market. But marketing can't overcome those other things that I mentioned earlier. If the price is too high, or if it's dirty or cluttered, or people can't get in to see it, no amount of marketing is going to help. The best results usually come when all of these factors are working together. Price is right, the house is maintained and looks great. Your buyers can get in and have a look and picture themselves in that space. It's easy for them to book an appointment to come in, and the marketing is showing the house to people that want to see it. When all those things work together, it's the best result possible for a seller. If you're thinking about selling, don't start with what renovations do I need to do. Start with what will help the buyers feel confident that this house has been taken care of. What can I do to help them understand the value? And what can I do to help them picture themselves in this home? That's usually what helps a house sell.